guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I filmed for you guys this prom look, and it's a very bronzy JLo dewy kind of makeup look. So if you do have prom coming up or any special occasion and you like warm tones, this look is for you. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this makeup look, then please keep watching. So I'm gonna actually be trying out some new brushes today. One of my friends started this company and she's selling a bunch of products. So she sent me these brushes and they're so pretty. They're like mermaid kind of brushes. They're just so cute. So I'm going to be testing those out today and I'm going to let you guys know what I think about them. And I'll also just list down below the website if you guys are interested in looking at the products that she sells. So first thing I'm going to do is go in with my concealer for the base for my eyeshadow. Next, I'm gonna just fill in my eyebrows really quickly. So next, I'm just gonna set the concealer with this shade over here in my Anastasia palette. I need to get a new one. Alright, so I'm gonna go for like a warm kind of bronzy look today. So I'm gonna use my Morphe palette. This one is 35W. It's this pretty palette. And I'm gonna start off with a transition shade. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's like this pretty orangey salmon kind of color. On this blending brush, I'm gonna put that just right above the crease. Next, I'm gonna deepen that shade and I'm gonna go in with this orange shade right here. So next I'm going to take this pretty shimmery bronzy kind of brownish shade and I'm going to take that on this like flatter brush and I'm going to put that just right in the outer corner. I'm going to then just spray my flat brush with some setting spray. And I'm going to go ahead with this kind of rose goldish shade here. And I'm going to put that all over the lid. So my video camera cut off. So what I did was, with a pencil brush, I went in with this shade over here, just in the outer V of the eye, and blended it upwards. So the next thing I'm going to do is go in with some black eyeliner and I'm going to line my upper lash line. Next, I'm just going to go in with some liquid eyeliner. Next thing I'm going to do is add a little bit of mascara, and I'm using my Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara right before I apply my lashes. And the lashes that I'm going to be using today are Farah number 12 by HUDA Beauty. So next I'm just going to line my waterline with my black eyeliner as well. Then what I'm going to do is go back to my pencil brush and I'm going to go back to this orange shade right here and I'm going to smudge that with the black eyeliner at the bottom. Then I'm going to go back to my mascara and just add some on my lower lashes. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and start my face. The first thing I'm gonna use is my Too Faced Hangover primer spray. Next, I'm gonna be using my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Radiance drops, and I'm gonna mix those in with a little bit of my foundation. I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay. I'm not using a lot, like literally just that much. We're gonna go for a very dewy kind of look. So the next thing I'm going to do is go in with my concealer. This is the Urban Decay Naked Skin, just to highlight a little bit. So I'm going to then set the under eyes with my Laura Mercier powder. Next, I'm just going to do a little bit of contour, and I'm using my Anastasia palette, this shade right in the middle. Next, I'm going to add some blush, and I'm going to use my BH 10 color palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade over here. So for highlighter, I'm going to go in first with my Peter Thomas Roth 24 Karat Gold Lift and Prism Cream. And I'm just going to take a little dab. Put that on my nose. And the Cupid's bow on my chin. And then go in on my cheekbones. Then I'm going to go in with my Nicole, Guerriero, and Anastasia palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Glow Getter, this one over here. I'm going to take that on a fan brush and just apply it over top the liquid one that we put on. Ooh. Also forgot to do a little bit of bronzer, so I'm just gonna go in with my Too Faced Chocolate. So I'm gonna take that same shade in the Nicole highlighter palette, and I'm gonna highlight the underbrow as well as the inner corner of the eye. So I'm gonna then set my face with that same setting spray slash primer spray that we used. It's the Too Faced Hangover. And finally, I'm gonna do my lips, and I'm gonna go with a beautiful nude. And first, I'm gonna line my lips with MAC Whirl lip liner. So after that, I'm gonna go in with my MAC CremeDNude. And over top of that, I'm gonna go in with Pretty Please. Just in the center. So this is the final look, guys. It's a super bronzy, kind of glowy look. So if you are going for that JLo kind of dewy makeup look, I think this would be perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did like it, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, share it if you want. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. It's so... You're shitting me.